One name cake melo. Inokwa welcome to my page, Amia America. Just few months ago, one girl pụtara sị na nkịta na-alị ya. Na ya na nkịta na-akwakọ iko. The thing ebido trend ba. Before we know it, the girl egbuo onwe ya. The heat was too much. She couldn't take it. Ogbuo onwe ya. Ka a na-ekwu na echete ka another lady apụta sị na afọ ya bụ Chinyere. Na ya na-eme ife estate. Na ife niile bụ odogwu nọ na Anambra steeti alagụ ya. Na ndị na-eme estate bụ ashawo ashawo. Na ife ya na-ala bụ ya dịbalụ Chukwu. Na afọ ya bụ Lakademus. Nọọ ike ya ji wee graduate ya na university. Nya laa na edi na onye ahụ. Enwere ife na ọkọ fọrọ n'ọnụ ya. That one a trend ba. Before I mara ihe na-aga na ọgbapụta. No scripted, no staged, ọ bụla eziokwu. Nke ahụ adajụọ. Just few days now. Another one apụta. Kerry Kosi. Na-akọ otu die. Ọsọ a pastor ka ọ nụrụ ka ọsọ gịnị. Si wee tụba ya ime at the age of 16, ete ya afọ ime. Nya mụọ nwa at the age of, was it 18 or 19? More the second one at the age of 20, marriage finish here. Ọ kwụsịrị dị ya. Wee kọbazie otu. Ọ sị na ya dinere nwaanyị ibie. Si ebe ahụ banye na a politician kpọrọ ya. Dine ya for 3 days. Like non-stop laa n'iru n'azụ. Na onwere ebe a na-ala ala dị mmanụ na-ala ya. Lasi anya welu 3,000 naira nye 3K. That one net trend. Achọrọ m ka ị gee ihe a, ị ga-esi anya dị ka nkwa ife m chọrọ ikwu.
Frustration game I had a friend, Nancy, God bless her though. So she was like, okay, I can keep you in my house for some time while you hustle up and rent your own house. So that was how I started staying with her somewhere around the Coca Assets in Asaba. Well, all cool. But did you know that anytime with this girl get visitor, that's why I go there outside. Until the visitor go. Anytime we rain fall, that's why I go there outside. I was pretty young. I decided not to give up. I said I'm gonna go my pass. I saw rain go there. She go there knock for inside. That's how I go there. As rain go fall finish. One day say I can't even sleep for the neighbor house. The guy won't worry me for. I saw if I for 10 years by now, I don't know me. I for the kiri for use knife keep person. Say they touch me for night while they sleep for your house. Nedu, I fucked this girl to sleep in her house.
You slept with a girl.
Yeah, in order to make her happy, because some certain things started changing. She became uncomfortable having me in her house to some point. So she complains about every little thing, but at that moment I knew she was fed up. She don't harbor me for almost 6 months. So I slept with her. It's just to make her, you know.
She asked you to sleep to make her.
Yeah, she told me to like make her feel good. I was like, okay, no problem. Then that was how I did. I think I did that.
She opened her leg. You begin to lick up.
Just to make sure that I've got that shelter that I needed at a time. But I had a very good friend, because I come church, can't see my own children. This guy say make them hold me for station. At the station, when they told me to write statements that if I did this or not, if I went to church or not, policeman, they show me my pickles. Policeman, when I don't know where he come from, hold the phone for one, they show me my vagina. They ask me, is this you or not? This one go say, make I see. Go move on from this one, go here. This one go carry phone, give her. This guy say make them hold me for station there. They say what did I do where they say pay on 100K? Where they go take pay me come out because I come church, come see my own children.
You don't reach out to welfare for Delta State government.
So there was a guy they introduced me to Women Affairs. They said the office is at Okpanam Road. Mary Abangida, I went there. I saw the guy, took his number. The guy happy on forget him work, begin talking that he wants to be with me. Then I gave up. Like, I'm back, money no day in my hand now. I was just trying to. Do you not go believe say in order for me to shop, I go punish this politician. So I don't want to call your name, but as you do, I don't say you go watch this video. And anyway, where you did so, and I go punish you.
What state's the politician there?
Delta State. Now Roboma, I know if you even really call
which political party? They no call a name, but which political party?
Under PDP also.
Okay.
I saw this man carry me. Say make we go worry. He's gonna take care of me. I saw this man carry me from Asaba for 2 days. You can't go worry. Where this man don't knock me on top table. The office, he get office for inside your house. He knock me on top table, knock me for bedroom, knock me for. Niggas how they go. Now this man carry 3,000 give me. See, they tell me say if I reach, I say go send me money. Make I know what it today. How many? $3,000 naira. It's on 3,000.
Because I need to understand. Now 2020 naira, you use count the 3,000. Put inside.
He give me 3K. My fare to Asaba was I think 1,800.
Oh, he pay flight.
My fare.
Your fare, your
boss,
transport.
Sienna na enter 1.
They talk plenty. I think this is
I'm an ex-pastor's wife. My ex-husband is a pastor. You see, pastors, so now then nobody even do reach them. All these pastors, reverend fathers. I got married at a day after I completed 17. I had my first child at 18. I had my second child at 19. So as at 2020, I wrote my first WAEC, that's first living certificate. I got into school. So as at then, I wasn't with my ex-husband anymore.
So wait, you got married at age 17, your first child at 18, your second child at 19, and by age 20, you and your husband were separated.
Yeah. And I took in before the wedding, but we had an abortion.
So you had an abortion at 16 years?
Yeah, I had an abortion for him at 16.
Yeah, I was quite flabbergasted because I was like, bro, you're married.
Okay, so now I am at Nkebezoku. Could be that they're doing all these things to trend. And my way if it is impossible now. Only get but I say oh no, not just for fame, just to catch cruise. That is not serious. Now, this person, I don't know if she's telling her true life story. I don't know. But why am I making this video? I know that people are going through a lot. There's chances that this thing Melia. There's chances no Melia. You know why I will say no way go Melia? Because the matter with go stories carrying care to me. Just that some of them, they are looking for somebody to encourage them. They will come to me. They just want to voice out. They just want to say it out. It's eating them up inside. So most times they will bring it to me and tell me, look at what I'm going to. Sometimes when I remember it, the thing I will just encourage the person. I don't mean her advice now. I will just encourage them. Say, if you want to share it public, the only thing I can do is to tell the story with more. You understand? More if it's too deep, I can just tell the story with you. Some of them will be like, I just want to talk to you. I like you. I want to be friends. Let's just talk. Sometimes I will just drop voice note to encourage the person, and I'm be very careful because in the matter do me. Now, in we go stories and they carry in can one no go. In with some things I'm not on antema like I'm not get more in him. I've heard things I'm telling you the honest truth. Now, him na go tala wunda naga podcast abe akọ ife nda niile. Ka ife unu na-ewepụtala iru na akọ ya. Are you guys seeking for justice? If you're seeking for justice, what's the need? What is the need that you are? If you are looking for justice, why not go to police station? Why not go and write petition? Podcast na joke. I don't understand. Catch a cruiser. I don't get the reason. Because before Mbuputa my whatever melemo in the past, man, or the very deep, Mbuputa with my face. If I want to share a story like that, I can just decide to cover my face. But if I'm bringing it out, can be a corner na public. Fanano go to sit down, of what benefits come na koi her now? Nda na akọ na nwoke di na afa onye ala gị n'enu table la gị n'okpuru stove onye anwa la gị n'enu ceiling fan of what use ka no just enwezuro ifere. If you want to heal, you meet a therapist. You go the right way to heal. You go the right way to help yourself. Sometimes on a bifa messy have traumatized. their brain are messed up. Now, if you are sharing it because you need help, you go to a place again counseling, not people that will laugh, just achieve for you nochi. Them bloggers a booty or booty fakoko, your face and a bugari or just a kamaluno. Una ada aga ko ife demma, kono trend and ife demma. Oh, name me ife do to win the award so place, win the award so place, save for life so. Ọ na-abụkarị ala gị alala gị emego otu a emerego otu a stories na-adị date na ntị. My question bụ ife unu na-aga podcast aga akọ biko of what use? Ọ just ka ọ bụrụ akụkọ ka aka ọnya ka achị ọchị ka anụkwa na o mere gị at the end what next? Like onye nke akịta na-aka otu politicians wee lee anya ma n'elu tebụl. Ada ala bụ nwaanyị n'elu tebụl biko. Ada ala nwaanyị n'elu tebụl. A na-ala nwaanyị n'elu tebụl. Yes, alabekwa m o, alabekwa m, but ama m na a na-ala nwaanyị n'elu tebụl. Na ngị nwee pụta bịa na-akọ ya. Okay, the partner onye gị 3,000. Okay, na ọ chọrọ ihelp gị. Are you doing a shower? Because I don't understand. Kedu ka a politician si buru gị gaba? Kedu otu gị na ya na boss wee meet ya wee gaba? You didn't tell that part. Unu luo di na ba gị. You wanted it because each and all ga-enye gị nnukwu ego. That means I shower part somehow now. Because I ghọtara m ife ji gịnị. Ọ bụ na you need the help. Even in nwaanyị kebe m ga-ebido ebido ihe m ga-ekwu jọsọ na-agbasasị m n'isi. Ọ bụrụ ịlacha nwaanyị ibe gị ike because na ị chọrọ ịlacha ike nwaanyị ibe gị. You don't have a place to stay. Bi na nna gị bi n'ụlọ ime ọhịa. All these people na-apụta na-eme ka a na-efiri pity ka a na-emetere fe ebere. I don't understand. Nwaanyị ibe gị mepere ike. Ị na-enecha nga ọbara na-eshi apụta. Ana m ajado ụmụ nwoke na-etinye ọnụ ebe ahụ ike. And they hail them. Or ifuru ụmụ nwoke ndị a na-etinye ọnụ gị. Nke nwa bụ nwaanyị n'afọ ọbara gị kwa ọnwa ọbụla. Mmalụ otu ọbara ahụ na-esi isi. Mmalụ otu ebe imegide memu wee gboo ife m dị n'ụtụtụ Chineke akpọ gị ọkụ. Iwe bụrụ ọnụ gị wee na-ene nwaanyị ibe gị si not because ka o wee nye gị accommodation. It's because na ị chọrọ ịlachi ike, my sister. Ọ bụ na ife na-esiri gị ike, you don't have a place to stay. Don't you? Your father no get house. Your mother no. Unu ebi n'ime ọfịa. O nwere ebe amụọ gị. It's because you chọrọ ibi high life this thing, high lifestyle. If not, in aba village gị, gaa nọrọ ebe ahụ, put yourself together. Ịpụtawakwa township. But because na ị chọrọ ịlachi ike nwaanyị ka ị mara otu o si atọ, that's why you did it. You can judge me, you can say whatever you want to say. But that is the truth. Ife na amara ka eme bụ ọnwụ. When I was in Israel, I've shared the story here. I no get paper. Na agba ọsọ otu a spirit me buru ụzọ na-agba. The thing frustrated me. And I have one annual first nurture help me. Or that I have to come and give him a night. After I nwetara onye m kwụrụ ụgwọ submit ya akwụkwọ m. Ọgwa m na m ga-abịa nye a night. Otherwise, ọ ga-aga mebo gwa Ministry of Interior no ife m na-eme bụ fake. A na-ekwu nwoke m kwụrụ ụgwọ na-emere m akwụkwọ sị m na ọ na-emezikwa. That I should go and settle with my brother. Onye m na ya na-asụ ofu asụsụ. What are you telling me? M si n'enu ne onwe m ruo n'ala. Overnight, I took decision. I'm going back to my country. I got offers like both from senators then. Mande chọrọ with somebody from Canada, a bishop, a Canada, you know, this and that. Natural woman and say, you know what? No matter how bad Nigeria is, people are still surviving there. I'm going back to my country. I went back with nothing. But I cried. I cried to God Almighty, say, Father, I know that you will not forsake me. For I know it, I got American visa. Imagine taking a decision like that from Israel. Imagine how we put Nigeria. Out of hardship, take what decision? Then go on Nigeria. Say no, because of a big lacha ike wine. My sister, lacha ike wine. Don't tell me that. I went back with nothing. Today, Today, as I'm talking to you now, I'm in America. I'm not just in America, I'm an American citizen. And you tell me that it's not God's doing. You decide what you want in life. Sometimes life don't give you what you want. Whatever life gave you, you make use of it in a positive way. Then you put on a podcast and na saying that na ilacha ike nwanya. Kam kubalo ga aka because not so go and face berike. Kam kubalo ga aka na ilacha ike nwanya. Mba kam kubalo ga aka na politician lag na enu oche. Lacha gi 3,000. It's because you want them to lag in enu oche. There are people that have gotten offer like massive one. Only take it else. No, I don't want to live this kind of life. You wait until God bless you. Come there, maybe get better than like and watch all that. All got a kedogo kuna fanos say yegi bongegi kikweta. If you got belly, you make decision. Una call it isn't it? Putana again na Facebook, no man tell you better. Hey, makwa na wait for them aki vishike wela chaike one. Nature lela chike one. Italy la chike one. Unu na-eme ka unu trend ya. Ama me better trend na ga ebuga unu. Ndị me dey consider nonsense stories like that kafa we trend ya. From ebe fa trend do. Highest you trend for months. That's it. Ochunike na nanike. You just trend for few days. Afage Lego. And we find a trend. And before give money got control. There are some skits that I will put out. Before I will put it out, I've already arranged on how to debunk it in order to keep my reputation. I'm still pass my message. Na yala osemo la chari ike nwanyị. I'm to support no mani rubiko. Obuna ike nwanyị na atọ gote la chebia nwanyị ju mepelu na ike ka ọ lachabe ike nwanyị. Come kpọpụ no mani ru ọsịsọ. Rubbish.